This is a DIY going from this to this. Check it out. I bought this Impulse 120 by Hoodoo, and it was missing the little blocks that hold the seat in place. So I took some 1 1/4 inch PVC. I drilled a 7/8 hole only through one side. It does not penetrate the other side. So you see there, it only goes through one side, and it's a super tight fit on these, which is good. Then I took a 1/4 inch bit and I ran it through here. These are 1/4 and they're 3 inches long. They're made out of the same junk this stuff is made out of, so after being in the sun for a little bit, tightened and loosened a few times, they're probably going to break. But you could just carry a little whatever size head that's going to be on there, 7/16 or 5/8 or whatever it is. And just carry a little wrench inside your pouch, and whenever you need to move or adjust them. Because to raise and lower the seat, you have to loosen the two front. I'm guessing the two front blocks. I looked online for the blocks, and these blocks are, I think, $14 a piece or something like that. Anyway, so PVC, 1 1/4 inch PVC, a 3 inch T-headed nut, do a 7/8 inch hole here, 1/4 inch hole here, and I just cut them with a skill saw. They're not pretty, but if you want to make them look prettier, I guess you could make them just a little bit longer and put caps on them. But then I don't know if this is going to reach with a cap on it. Either way, hey, they work. Spray paint it black, nobody will even know that's what it is. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.